What is up, guys? Sky Melon here, and today we are getting ready for the next tropical storm or hurricane-ish called Nicole. So it is currently Tuesday right now. I'm not pulling one from school, so that's why I sound like this, if you're wondering. We do not have school on Thursday, but we have school tomorrow. So yeah, well, it just looks like this because it's ugly out. So I will keep on informing you if our house gets flooded again. This time we're gonna have to move with two more cars. So yeah, that's my car right there. So, and it's good for weather, so like this. So I'll just drive through the water if I want to do something in the storm. Alright, so I am currently driving to school right now. It is currently Wednesday. We don't have school tomorrow. I don't know why school's been canceled. I heard it's gonna be really windy out when I drive, so yeah, this will be interesting. Ooh, something happened. Accident definitely happened. Alright, I'm gonna be late to school now. Nah, it's not got like 45 minutes or 50 minutes till school starts, so I should be fine. What the hell happened up there? When I pull up, I will just see what I'll show you guys what happened. But look, here's the water, and it's getting closer and closer to the road. So, yeah. I wonder how many people are gonna be at school today. And speed limit's 40. I'm going 10. Looks like a car broke down here or something. So yeah, back there, you can probably see, there's a shit ton of cars back there. So I'm just gonna take this way, hold up. So yeah, hold up, I'm just gonna set the camera down so I can drive. Alright boys, we are currently on the road right now. We're gonna try and head downtown, because I heard it's really flooded down there. I'm gonna try and just see how bad it is, but I'm not gonna get my car in the water because the salt water will really rust it all up. This might be really stupid of me, but let's see how it works. Alright, so we are currently driving on the way to downtown. Right now it doesn't look too flooded. So yeah, we are downtown right now, and it doesn't look too bad. I'm sure there's a lot of water in that castle area right there, or in the fort, whatever you want to call it. My friends told me that it was very flooded down here, but to be honest, it's not that bad. Maybe it was like really flooded this morning or something. So my friend was just telling me, oh, downtown's all fucked up. I'm like, honestly, it looks fine to me. Maybe like the water drained or something. I don't know. That bridge over down there is, I'm gonna have to cross that bridge by that sailboat. So yeah, this shall be fun. So it is really windy right now. I'm gonna drive much slower than I was back there. And apparently it's raining more, but I'm able to drive through this, so but I'm gonna be very careful, especially going up the bridge down there. Alright, so it is currently 5:36. I've been back from school for a few hours, and I figured I'll show you what we did to our house. So we got everything barricaded up here. And right here, yeah, this room right here barricaded up because if you didn't watch my Hurricane Ian video, a lot of water almost got in there. Well, not a lot, just, yeah. got the garage over here. Here's my car, and all the other cars have been moved. Except for mine, since mine's the only Jeep, so it can drive on to like land and stuff. Pretty good. But we got our new sandbags right here. Some they're all taped by some plastic. We should be good. So yeah, I'll update you guys if anything happens. It is currently 7:06 right now, approximately, and it has started raining. So far, these sandbags, well, the sand is down there, is holding the water up. So it's not. It's like last time it broke away and all water just go down here. And there's some more sand stuff down there. Oh yeah. I don't think anything interesting is going to happen for the rest of the night, but if it does, I'll keep you updated. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so it's currently 8:30 the next morning, and I had to wake up because there's a tornado warning. So yeah, here's what it looks like outside. My car was moved right there, and I guess it's all flooded right there. Damn. So yeah, that must be fun. Alright, so it is approximately 9:30 right now. The tornado warning is gone, but more flooding has happened. I'll show you. Goes on. Damn, the wind really blew this. Let's see how this thing's holding up. I'd say it's alright, it's holding up pretty good. There goes its chair right there. I should grab it. And grab it. I hope y'all can hear me with this wind. I'm going to try talking to the camera as best as I can. So y'all can hear my voice. So I'm on my deck right now, and this is some pretty powerful footage, and it's not even 10:30 in the morning, so McDonald's is still serving breakfast right now. No, not the Diet Coke! Not the Diet Coke, man! Trash cans and not from the other trash cans. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Yeah. Goes on. That's it. Completely gone. The bright side, this one right here is still here. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! No! My trap! Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright, so cycling just blew over, and that was a mess to clean up. I recorded it blowing over, but for some reason it didn't save to my camera, so that was fucking stupid. But it is what it is, and I can't really do anything about it. Maybe somehow save onto my SD card and actually put it into my computer or something. So yeah, I was like right here, and I just see it just floating down there. All the neighborhoods just floating. The sand's up there, but it's not really doing its job. Wide open on that's right there. See, one of my jets, one of my neighbors, he's I don't know what the hell he's doing, but yeah, he's doing some stuff. Oh yeah, this is very interesting. Alright, so a bit of an update. It is roughly around 3 o'clock, and water has died down. It's no longer up to the trash cans. So they're all just right here. So yeah, I can technically walk in this area now without feeling disgusted. Yeah, apparently someone got electrocuted in St. Augustine, in our city. So yeah, that's sad. So yeah. Don't walk in the water like I did, or else you might get electrocuted. So I just opened the door to my own room, and the wind here is so pretty powerful. Just watch. Whoa. Yeah. Let's just see how big the flooding is over here. It's still big flooding in. Yeah. They got like crap here. Fun fact, I actually never used the apple shower in this house yet. I am yet to use it. That's the funny part. Oh yeah, and in case you are super aware of my channel and my Hurricane Ian video, I showed you all. I was showing footage out there. You might have seen a ball. Well, I went and I retrieved the ball right here. And yeah, it didn't get deflated or anything. That ball was actually used for my birthday party, because I had a party here. So. Back in place. So yeah, so things are dying down a bit, but we still have to wait till all this water's died down completely. So yeah. Right, so it is roughly around 7:05 right now, and the water is gone. Neighbors are right there, getting the water out of the ground. Trying to see it's right there, you can see it. I don't know if you can or not. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, so it is Friday, November 11th. The time is approximately 11:21 right now. And the storm has stopped, the water is cleared away. Move my car right here. But look at my car. Look at my car, just disgusting. Just crap everywhere. You get washed. That's, yeah, disgusting. My crap's out here. A bunch of mud got into the garage. we've had to power wash it out right now. But here's the water right now. It's very shallow, unlike yesterday, so I can just drive my car through it. So, yeah, now, the annoying part, cleaning up. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My condolences to anyone who is affected deeply by this hurricane. Or, is it a hurricane? Yeah, I think it is. But, yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.